I feel kind of cute, okay?
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So today I'm going to be reviewing the Freck Beauty little freckle maker. I'm so excited to try this. I've seen it all over like Instagram and YouTube, and I know it's been out for a couple of months, but I just now got around to buying it and I'm really excited. So I've been doing so many reviews lately on my channel. It's just that there's nothing else to do than go online, watch videos of new products, and then buy them and try them myself. And I think everyone's in that same boat. Usually I wouldn't do like this many reviews, but I feel like it's been literally back to back. So I'm gonna try to space them out so my channel isn't just like a review channel, but they've just been so much fun to do, and I keep finding new products that I want to try out. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. So if you guys watched my last video of me cutting my own bangs and you're wondering where my bangs went, I just moved them to the side just in case anyone was wondering. I don't think anyone is, but just letting you know. It made me do this kind of middle part, but I'm kind of liking it. Let me know what you guys think down below. That has nothing to do with this video. I've always wanted to have freckles. I've always loved freckles. I always thought they were so cute. I even tried to do it before, just like with eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys have watched, I think it was like my mascara review video, my Thrive mascara review video. I tried to do freckles and I even mentioned it in the video, but I finally got a freckle maker. Also, please ignore these two nails. We're just not gonna really talk about it. So this is the product. It's literally like smaller than my finger. It's so tiny. Let me see how much this was. This was $22. Let's just think about that for a second. $22 for this. I guess it's gonna last you a while because like you're not really gonna be using half the bottle in one use, but $22. I see now there's a Freck XL, so I guess it's just a bigger version. It's probably the size of my finger, and that one is $32. So it's pretty expensive for this little thing, but I guess we'll see if it's worth it. I think I've seen like a pen version of this by another brand. I'm not exactly sure. I saw it once like in an Instagram post, so I have no idea what it was. But let me know if there are other brands that make like freckle makers that are either cheaper or just like a bigger size, because this is ridiculous. So I do have a bit of makeup on. I didn't put too much face makeup. I just put a little bit of powder foundation, like the lightest amount, and just a little bit of blush and bronzer. I did think about trying this with no makeup and see how it worked, but I did watch a video. I completely forgot who it was from, I'm sorry, but yeah, it was just a review about this, and she tried it on without makeup and then she tried it on with makeup, and I think she said in the video that it stuck better to her face when she had a little bit of makeup on. So I just put a little bit on. Also, I haven't like put makeup on since I think the last time I filmed a video, maybe. So I was just feeling like putting on makeup. I bet this will work also if you are not wearing makeup and you just want to add a little bit of something. I think that'll be like a really cute no makeup look. People with actual freckles are probably laughing because they literally don't have to do anything. But sorry, we all just want to be like you. So I've zoomed in just so you guys can see where I'm gonna put the freckles. I'm actually really nervous. If this isn't ugly, I'm gonna be looking in the viewfinder a lot. Just know that. So you can't even really see, but this is the little, you literally can't see, but that's what it looks like. It's really thin. So what people said to do and what I've seen in videos, and I think this is what it says on the website too, you just dot a little bit and just pat them out. So we're gonna try. Okay. Oh, that one does not look good. Some of these are literally like lines. Okay, so I just did right here. I think someone said also in their video that it takes a while to dry, so you don't have to blend it out right away, but I'm just gonna try right now just to see what happens. Oh, you couldn't even see. That's kind of cute. Does that look real? I don't really know, to be honest. So I feel like you are going to need to dip back into the product multiple times for this, because I don't know if you can see. You really can't. But you're only really going to use the product that's at the very tip of the brush, and then there's still a lot of product left on the rest, but you're only going to really use the tip of the brush. So I feel like I'm going to have to keep going back in just to get product on the very end. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Okay, I just dipped it back in. I'm just going to try to do the other side. See, already, I don't know if you can tell, but it's faded a lot since we started over here, so now I'm gonna have to go back in. Okay, let me add some to the middle of my nose. This is really hard to even show on camera and look in the mirror at the same time. Oh, that's really, really dark. Let me tap that out. I feel like this looks kind of cute. Does this look real? Anyone with real freckles, let me know. Like if this looks real or if it just looks like dots on my face. I feel like this would be a lot more believable if you're wearing very, very little to no makeup. Well, right now I don't even have foundation on, so I feel like it's a little more believable. But if you have a full face of foundation on and people can tell, I feel like it's not really gonna be believable, because how are you gonna have freckles when you just put on foundation, you know? I'm just gonna keep adding, but I feel like it's starting to look kind of cute. I feel like I can kind of do the whole, like the whole face without blending. Like I don't have to do one side and then blend, one side and then blend, because it stays, I mean, it doesn't dry super, super quick. I'm trying not to like make them look like lines. It's very easy to do that since it's like a brush and not like a pen, you know? I'm just gonna blend all those in. I feel like I could have blended some of these in a little sooner. So you just have to be mindful of like when it's drying and how fast it's drying. It's just annoying how it's like a brush and you have to keep dipping it in every 2 seconds. You can definitely overblend too though, so be careful not to overblend, because it blends so easy that you could definitely blend it all the way. I zoomed you guys out just a little bit, but I feel kind of cute, okay? Okay, I actually feel like this is super cute. I added just a little bit, I added just a little bit more. I have my blush brush. I'm just gonna use whatever product I have left on this brush. I'm not really gonna add any more. And I'm just gonna dust it over here just so it's a little bit more rosy. So it just kind of looks like I've been in the sun and I just got freckles. I feel like that made a little bit of a difference. I don't know, did it? Okay, so overall, I actually really love this. I don't know if you can really tell far away like on camera, but in person you can definitely see it. And I feel like it looks really good. Like I feel like it looks natural. At least it looks more natural than just putting eyeshadow on your face. It was super easy to do. Literally, if you wanted to do it in 2 minutes, you really could just dot a few freckles here and there and then just pat it out and you'd be great. But the price, like $22, to be honest, like I would pay for it again unless I found some alternative that I could get this result. And I'm guessing this is gonna last a good amount of time since it is a liquid and it kind of just stains your cheeks. So yes, I would buy it again unless I find like an alternative that's a little cheaper and has more product. Then I would reconsider. But if I'm just talking about this one little product, considering that I don't have any others and I don't know about any others, yes, I would repurchase it. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have used this product And if you like it, or if there's any other products like this that are cheaper and better, let me know down below. Or if there's anything else, it doesn't have to be made for freckles, but anything else that you use that is a lot better or the same as this freckle maker. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!